Hey, welcome back to our Xata quick start. So where we find ourselves right now in our series is we've created a database, we've created a Next.js app of a to-do list, and we actually can now check off items too in Xata. Like we're working with Xata. If you missed this stuff, I can highly recommend looking at past videos. This is a playlist, and there's a link up there. Get started and then come back here if you haven't already. But if you're following along, we now can check things off here. This is what the screen looks like. We can check things off in our checklist, but at some point we're going to check off a bunch of things and then it's just going to be a checklist full of done stuff. We need some type of way to archive or delete them. How do we delete stuff on Xata? Let's look at that. So if we now go to our code, this is, by the way, the code for what you're seeing here. We're literally like mapping over to-dos, showing a checkbox. When the checkbox changes, we do it. And the label. So how do we add a delete? Well, let's start by maybe adding a delete button that's outside the label of this input, because when you click the label, you click the input. That's what the label's for. So let's do a fragment on the under the li, so just before the label. So just right there. Ooh. Computer do what computer do. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so we have a fragment, and we'll add a button right maybe here. Delete. How does that look? Whoa, that's big. Sure, why not? And now I have this button. Can I somehow make it? What if we do style display? I know this is orthogonal, but so much better. And then what if we do gap like 8? Ooh, okay, nice. So now we have giant delete buttons everywhere. Can we center? So much better. So when I delete, what do I want to happen? On click, I want to do exactly the same thing I do on edit. So I'll just fetch an API route to delete stuff. Instead of do to do, I'll call it. I can also use different HTTP methods, by the way. It's just whatever. It's MVP. I'm showing you Xata, not REST best practices. Let's delete the to do. We just need to send the ID this time and then reload the window. Okay. Let's go make that. We can literally just copy paste this now. Delete to do. Okay. Paste, and instead of .update, .delete is what we need. And then no object, just ID. We don't even need is done. Look at that. Awesome. So what are we doing here? We're fetching our serverless function with some parameters, JSON body, and when it's done, we reload. Let's take a look. So let's say new turquoise. I don't like that. Delete. Ooh. I could delete stuff all day. This is fantastic. Like we did random data and we inserted 25. If you missed that in the old video, it's your own fault. I've said go watch them before. But look at this. I'm so enjoying this feature that I'm just deleting everything. Wow, that's fantastic. It's empty. There's no way to create something. Uh-oh. Okay, the next video is where we insert records into Xata using the SDK in the preferred way. And when we're done with that, we are done. I mean, the next thing to do would probably be like add authentication and stuff, which we probably will cover. But your CRUD, create, read, update, delete, is done with the next video. So I'm eager to see you there. If you have thoughts, comments, feedback, join us in the Discord, linked somewhere, or on Twitter at Xata. But for now, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.